Chafin Communities has a great neighborhood called Mallards Landing in Jefferson, and today I am here with Colleen. So for starters, Colleen, what can you tell us about Jefferson?
Mallards Landing is located in Jefferson, Georgia, in Jackson County. We are minutes to 85, and we are in the highly ranked sought-after school district of Jefferson City.
Colleen, when I was driving in today, one of the things I noticed was the big lot sizes that are here in this neighborhood. So tell us a little bit about that, and also the amenities, because I noticed there's a great pool right across from the model.
Absolutely. One of the things that buyers love about Mallards Landing are the lot sizes. They are at least 20 feet between homes, so you're not on top of your neighbor. The pools, we have two of them. They have fountains and slides and picnic areas and a really cool playground. We offer ranch and two-story homes here, and like I said before, what makes this community different from other neighborhoods are our home sites. Not only are you getting a beautiful quality built home, but your home sits on an oversized lot. You can personalize your space with one of our 9 floor plans. Depending on the floor plan, you can choose up to 3 to 6 bedrooms for your home.
Well, currently we are on the back porch of the model home here at Mallards Landing, but this model home is gorgeous. So can you sort of talk me through it?
Sure. This model home is the Brunswick Ii. It's an open concept floor plan that is very warm and inviting. Buyers love the large gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. With the flow of the great room and the kitchen coupled with the outdoor space that we're in really makes this home ideal for entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find a number of oversized bedrooms, a media room, and a stunning 7-foot glass enclosed shower in the primary suite bathroom. Each home is built with the home buyer's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we are proud to offer the benefit of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, water heating, fireplaces, and cooktops. No matter the season or weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford. Currently, we have 13 home sites available in various stages of construction, and over the next few months, we'll be releasing more lots.
So I'm sure there's people out there that want to learn more, so what's the best way to do that?
Absolutely. You can give us a call at 678-614-1245. You can also jump on our website at chafincommunities.com.
Well, Colleen, thanks so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas products, you can go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.